Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, Gogo Maweni has announced a pregnancy. Okay, so Gogo Maweni has announced a pregnancy with these beautiful pregnancy pictures to announce ukuthi girl, there's a bun cooking in the oven. So she posted these beautiful pictures on her Instagram, looking all cute and stuff. The belly really looks good on her. I remember last there were rumors suspecting or projecting that she is pregnant. Some people were saying that she is pregnant with twins and stuff. So Ugel decided to keep quiet and not say anything or respond to the rumors, and then she blessed us with these beautiful pictures. She is glowing, Ugel, and you know what, you can see Uguti, this is what she wanted. But yes guys, congratulations are in order for Gogo Maweni for the pregnancy. She is looking all cute, and you can see the bum is showing now, so I guess we can expect a bundle of joy very soon, or if maybe it's twins, as some people were saying good, it's twins, maybe we can expect twins very soon. Who knows, but we are looking forward to it, and we wish her all the best. Now guys, in other news, Kesana, while people are worried about Uthando is not going anywhere. Uthando, who is Siyacela's wife, Uthando is not going anywhere. She is currently still with Usiyacela. On the latest episode, her family came to fetch her, but Ugel was like, nope, I am not going anywhere. This is my husband and I will stand by him. And then people were protesting Gesana for Moja Love to remove this show because they feel like it is promoting EGBV. But in Moja Love Yona, they don't see it that way, They just don't see it that way. You can tell from the statement that they released. They don't think the show is promoting EGBV, but they think that the show it highly reflects the problems that are currently happening in our society. But now the problem is that Uthando is not doing anything about it, so that's why people feel like this show is indeed promoting EGBV, because people will feel like once you experience something like that, you just go with it. You don't do anything about EGBV that you are currently experiencing. People feel sorry for Uthando. They feel like she is trapped. She can't do anything because she wants money from the show, which could be the problem, because Ugel posted, I think last week or Nini posted Uguti. Okay, someone posted Uguti, Imoja Love needs to remove this show. And then Thando posted Naiwati, if they remove the show, Kumoja Love, are you guys going to feed us? Nizosondla yini? Which is a valid question, guys. So now people are thinking, Ugel ngati she is doing this for the money. Like, why would she say something like that? But this is the statement that was released by Moja Love, but the show is not going anywhere, So I guess people who don't like the show can just stop watching the show because you're not sana. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Bye.